Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade any regular door with smart tech. No electrician, no wiring, and no big budget needed. You'll be able to lock or unlock it with your phone, get alerts when someone's at the door, and even add motion lighting for that futuristic vibe. So here's what we'll be using today. A budget smart lock, a Wi-Fi doorbell cam, and a motion light strip for the entryway. You can use whatever brands you like. They all work basically the same way. And best of all, you can install all of this in under an hour. We'll be starting with the smart lock. First, take off your old hardware. Keep the screws organized. You might need them later. Then line up the new deadbolt mechanism and screw it in place. Most smart locks are battery powered, so there's no need to mess with wiring. Once you pop the keypad on, it already looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Once the lock's on, download the app that comes with it. Then you just scan a QR code, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, your phone can now control your door. You can even set it to auto lock when you leave or unlock as you walk up with Bluetooth. Next, add a smart doorbell cam. This one just mounts with 2 screws and connects to the same app. If you're renting or don't want to drill, most models also come with adhesive mounts. Now when someone's at the door, you get a live video feed and motion alerts. You can even set up voice notifications like package detected. To take it a step further, add a motion light strip along the door frame. It automatically turns on at night when you approach. It's subtle, but it really completes that futuristic feel. Now you've got a fully smart door setup, keyless entry, video monitoring, and ambient lighting, all installed by hand, and all for less than the cost of a dinner out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.